I fell into a panic attack again. Out of nowhere, a wave of overwhelming fear crashed in. I looked at my slightly trembling hands, my heartbeat racing faster and faster. Yet around me, everything grew silent, strangely quiet, as if I were the only one left. Then I poured a glass of ice water and held it in my hand. The sharp chill instantly pulled me back to reality. Next, I started describing the objects in front of me. A white wall, a black TV screen, a clear water glass, a yellow snack bag. I named their colors and shapes one by one, then closed my eyes to picture them again. Magically, the discomfort vanished. This is sensory grounding. By engaging your senses, you anchor yourself back to the present moment, and your attention withdraws from the emotional storm. It's a method I often use when rebuilding myself and stabilizing my inner core. In this video, I'll introduce 6 different types of anchors, including this one. Now let's step into Self-Rebuilding Part 2, Establishing Anchors. If you missed Self-Rebuilding Part 1, From Chaos to Clarity, you can check out the previous video. 1. Physical anchor, a glass of ice water. If you're a highly sensitive person, a single look or sigh from someone might send you spiraling into emotions. Did I do something wrong? Does she dislike me? Stop. Right there. Go pour yourself a glass of ice water and hold it. That strong temperature contrast will pull you out of your overreacting mind. Then, with steady breathing, let your thoughts clear up, and only then analyze the situation rationally. 2. Sensory grounding, returning to the present. Many people fall into endless late-night thoughts. Does life have meaning? Why can't I sleep? How do I stop this? Sometimes the thinking gets so intense it causes headaches, yet it won't stop. I lived through countless nights like this until I discovered sensory grounding. It quickly pulls your attention back to the present and ends the invisible storm. The method is simple. Use your 5 senses to describe your surroundings, then recreate them in your mind. For example, I hear rain and cicadas outside. The room is a bit dark, but I can see yellow curtains and a large wardrobe. There's a blue shark plushie on my bed, soft and cuddly. Closing my eyes, I recreate the scene, and the storm stops. You'll calm down and enter a state of deep relaxation. If you're familiar with visualization, you can even shift the scene into the life and state you want. 3. Attitude anchor, reminder phrases. The internet amplifies emotions, and it's easy to get caught up in them. People with unstable cores experience the same in real life. They often ruminate, self-criticize, and overthink without taking action. That's why you need to prepare reminder phrases in advance, ready to call upon at crucial moments. Here are mine. Don't judge. Allow others to be themselves. Don't dramatize situations. Don't chase outcomes. Just do what needs to be done. Do your best with what you can control. Let go of what you can't. These reminders quickly bring me back to my anchor and reduce inner conflict. 4. Memory anchor. Highly sensitive people with unstable cores are prone to stacking emotions like anxiety and depression, forming a negative loop. These emotions are compulsive, they drag you into negative states. That's why you need to create positive memory anchors that make you feel calm and empowered. For example, once, I optimized my workflow and doubled my efficiency. I remember exactly how I felt in that moment. When I fall into self-doubt, I recall this memory and bring that strength back. You can collect such memories in a good fortune journal or an achievement journal, building your own reservoir of energy. 5. Ritual anchor, daily routines. Establishing small, steady daily rituals gives you a sense of stability. For example, making your bed after waking up, drinking a glass of warm water, opening the window for fresh air. These actions remind you a new day has begun. Likewise, before bed, leave your phone outside the bedroom. Take a few deep breaths, clear your mind. This reminds your brain it's time to rest. These small daily anchors quickly help you build order into your life. 6. Self-anchor, the achievement journal. For many highly sensitive people with unstable cores, repeated criticism and judgment have shaped their mindset. We've heard endless negativity, yet rarely collected evidence of our own worth. As a result, we waver constantly, torn between reality and memory, sometimes insecure, sometimes arrogant, sometimes sunny, sometimes downcast. The purpose of the Achievement Journal is to break this cycle. When your brain reactivates its self-denial program, open it. Inside are the things you have truly accomplished. When you feel not good enough, it reminds you, you are capable. You are enough. You can solve problems. Recap. Today, we covered 6 types of anchors. Physical anchor, a glass of ice water. Sensory grounding, returning to the present. Attitude anchor, reminder phrases. Memory anchor, a positive memory bank. Ritual anchor, fixed daily habits. Self-anchor, the achievement journal. Only through repeated practice in daily life can they truly become anchors. When the storm comes, they'll automatically emerge your lifeline, so starting today, build your anchors. You're already on the path of self-rebuilding. In the comments, feel free to share your own emotional storm moments or any effective life anchors you've tried. This is Silent Silas. I look forward to growing with you.